Want to get a verification code on your iPhone? Here's what to do. Most verification codes are sent by SMS text message. First, open the Messages app. Check your recent conversations. Codes usually come from a 5 or 6-digit number. If you don't see it, tap Filters in the top left. Tap Unknown Senders. Also, check Transactions if available. Your verification code may be there. If you're not receiving codes, check your message settings. Open Settings. Tap Messages. Make sure iMessage is turned on. Scroll down and make sure Send as SMS is enabled. Now check blocked numbers. In Messages settings, tap Blocked Contacts. If you see any short 5 or 6-digit numbers, unblock them. Next, refresh your network. Swipe down from the top right. Turn airplane mode on. Wait 5 seconds, turn it off again. This reconnects to your carrier. If it still doesn't work, restart your iPhone. Press and hold the side button and volume up. Slide to power off. Turn it back on. Then request the verification code again. It should arrive within seconds. And that's it. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tutorials.